Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into something that can make or break your driving experience: car air fresheners. Whether it's long trips or your daily commute, no one wants to sit in a car that smells stale. A good air freshener can do wonders, not just by masking bad odors, but by refreshing your car's entire atmosphere. So, we've handpicked the top 5 best car air fresheners on the market today. Stick around to find out which one suits your style and needs. Kicking off our list at number 1, Chemical Guy's New Car Smell. The Chemical Guy's New Car Smell is a fan-favorite air freshener among car enthusiasts. It's designed to replicate that iconic new car scent that many drivers love. This product comes in a spray form and is well known for its strong and long-lasting fragrance, making it an excellent choice for those looking to recreate that fresh off-the-lot experience. Key features: this air freshener boasts advanced odor elimination technology, neutralizing unpleasant odors rather than just masking them. The formula is concentrated, which means you only need a few spritzes to refresh the entire car. It's also water-based, so it won't leave behind any stains on fabric or interiors. Benefits and usage. The main advantage of the Chemical Guy's New Car Smell is its ability to recreate that coveted new car scent. Beyond its pleasant aroma, it actively works to remove bad smells from food, pets, and smoke. For usage, just spray lightly under seats, on carpets, or upholstery. You don't need much, as its concentrated formula will do the trick. Usability. This air freshener is incredibly easy to use. Simply point and spray, and you're good to go. Its compact size means you can store it in your glove box or side door for easy access, making it practical for on-the-go freshness. Durability. With proper use, this air freshener can last for weeks. You only need a few spritzes, and the fragrance lingers for days. It also helps prevent the buildup of odors over time, extending its longevity. In the second spot, we have Yankee Candle Car Jar. The Yankee Candle Car Jar is a portable air freshener designed to give your vehicle that comforting, home-like fragrance. Known for their long-lasting and diverse range of scents, Yankee Candle brings their candle-making expertise into the automotive world with this stylish, easy-to-use air freshener. Key features: the car jar comes in a wide variety of popular Yankee Candle scents, from floral to fruity, giving you plenty of options to match your preferences. It's a paperboard air freshener infused with fragrance oils that slowly release scent over time. Its compact design allows it to hang from your rearview mirror without obstructing your view. Benefits and usage. One of the best things about the Yankee Candle Car Jar is the variety of scent choices. Whether you want a refreshing, clean scent or something warmer like vanilla, there's something for everyone. To use, simply hang the car jar on your rearview mirror or clip it in your air vents, allowing the fragrance to circulate with the air conditioning. Usability. Extremely user-friendly, the Yankee Candle Car Jar requires zero maintenance once you hang it up. It's a hassle-free way to keep your car smelling fresh without having to remember to spray or replace anything frequently. Durability. The car jar typically lasts for about 2 to 4 weeks, depending on the climate and airflow inside your car. While it might not have the longevity of some other air fresheners, its affordability and wide range of scents make it a favorite for many. Coming in at number 3 is the Air Spencer CS X3. The Air Spencer CS X3 is a sleek, modern air freshener that hails from Japan. This premium product has gained a loyal following for its stylish design and signature sweet scent of squash, which is often described as a clean, citrusy aroma. It's a high-quality option that doubles as both a functional and aesthetic addition to your car's interior. Key features: the CS X3 features a compact, refillable case that can easily be mounted on your dashboard or center console. The refillable cartridges make it an eco-friendly option as well. The fragrance release is adjustable, allowing you to control the intensity based on your preferences. Benefits and usage. The biggest advantage of the Air Spencer CS X3 is its customizable scent release. If you prefer a subtle aroma, you can close the vent partially. Need a stronger burst of fragrance? Open it up fully. The squash scent is particularly popular and has a unique, fresh fragrance that's hard to find in other air fresheners. Usability. This air freshener is easy to install. You can place it almost anywhere in your car thanks to its compact size. The refillable cartridge design is also a huge bonus, saving you money in the long run since you don't need to replace the entire unit. Durability. Each cartridge lasts about 4 to 6 weeks, and with refill packs available, the CS-X3 can be used indefinitely as long as you replenish the cartridges. The case itself is built to last and remains a staple in your car for years. Taking our fourth spot is PURGGO Car Air Freshener. The PURGGO Car Air Freshener is a unique, eco-friendly option for those who want a chemical-free solution to bad car odors. Made from bamboo charcoal, this air freshener absorbs odors instead of masking them, making it an excellent option for drivers sensitive to fragrances or those who prefer a more natural product. Key features. PURGGO uses 100% activated bamboo charcoal to naturally filter and absorb odor particles from your vehicle. It's chemical-free, fragrance-free, and hypoallergenic, making it safe for children, pets, and allergy sufferers. The design is simple and low maintenance, hanging discreetly from your car's headrest. Benefits and usage. The main benefit of the PURGGO Car Air Freshener is its natural ability to purify the air without adding any artificial fragrance. This makes it a fantastic solution for people who don't like strong smells or suffer from allergies. Once you hang it in your car, it passively absorbs bad odors over time, keeping the air fresh without the need for sprays or refills. Usability. PURGGO is a set-it-and-forget-it product. You hang it up and let the bamboo charcoal work its magic. There's no need for any manual intervention, making it one of the easiest air fresheners to use. Its minimalistic design also fits seamlessly with any car interior. Durability. One of the standout features of PURGGO is its longevity. It lasts up to a full year before needing replacement, making it one of the most durable air fresheners on the market. You can even refresh the charcoal by leaving it in the sun to extend its life further. And finally, at number 5, we have Meguiar's Whole Car Air Refresher. The Meguiar's Whole Car Air Refresher is an aerosol-based product designed to eliminate odors throughout your entire vehicle. Unlike other air fresheners that may target only specific areas, this product works like a fogger to spread its scent evenly across your car's interior, leaving it smelling fresh for days. Key features. The Whole Car Air Refresher features a unique odor elimination system that doesn't just mask bad smells but neutralizes them at the molecular level. It's easy to use. Simply set the can in your car, activate it, and let it work. The product is available in a range of scents, including the popular new car fragrance. Benefits and usage. What sets Meguiar's Whole Car Air Refresher apart is its ability to refresh the entire vehicle in just one use. It's great for those who want a quick and effective solution to bad smells, whether from pets, smoke, or food. To use, turn on your car's air conditioning, activate the can, and let the product circulate for about 15 minutes. Usability. This product couldn't be easier to use. Once activated, the aerosol fills your car with a pleasant fragrance. You don't have to worry about manually spraying or placing anything around your car. Just one use, and your entire car smells fresh. Durability. After one use, the fragrance from Meguiar's Whole Car Air Refresher typically lasts for several weeks. It eliminates odors at the source, making it a long-lasting option for those who need a quick refresh every few months. And there you have it, our top 5 best car air fresheners. Each of these products offers a unique way to keep your car smelling fantastic. Whether you prefer natural solutions, customizable scents, or all-in-one refreshers. From the eco-friendly PURGGO to the long-lasting Chemical Guy's new car smell, there's something here for everyone. Be sure to check the links in the description to pick up your favorite. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more car tips and reviews. Thanks for watching.